I just found another antler. I can't believe it. What? It's gotta be the match to this deer. It's gotta be. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's gotta be. Gotta be. Gotta be. Gotta be. No? Let me see here. It's gotta be the match to it. It's gotta be. Gotta be. Gotta be. I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if it is or not. If it's not, this would be my 5th fresh antler in this one spot. I have found a honey hole. No joke, honey hole. Is this the match though? It's gotta be. It has to be. Has to be. It is. It definitely is. That's cool. Cool, cool. And I come down here to match the 3-year-old I found yesterday and ended up finding a set. Crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Now I'm gonna continue on and hopefully I find the one I came down here for, which is a 3-year-old from yesterday with a split G2 dark chocolate rock buck. But what are the chances? Absolutely blessed. I really am. I'm having a heck of a year. That right there is 42. This was 40 with a kicker. Cool. I wish I'd have found it last year, but good genetic deer. And then, who would have thought? Right here. Thank you. Absolutely thank you.